Hello Hungry fam, my name is Akansha and welcome to our channel. First of all, wish you all a Merry Christmas, and today I'm going to cook and eat only Christmas food for 24 hours. To be honest, it was not a 24-hour challenge, it took me almost a week. That's because this whole month was a mess. बहुत hodgepodge था क्योंकि I have a surprise for you. So drum roll please. I got finally engaged on the 21st of December and let me know if you want the engagement vlog. मैंने vlog नहीं किया है ज़्यादा. Advait has vlogged a lot, so let me know if you want it in the comment section below. Coming back to this video, we started the shoot on 19th of December when we shot the Christmas plum cake. I uploaded it yesterday itself because it had to be refrigerated for 24 hours. And the next day, that is the 20th December, we shot for the breakfast and lunch. We were supposed to go for dinner as well, but बहुत लोग घर पे आ गए, so we couldn't go. So finally today I'm going, that is the 24th. So it's the Christmas Eve, so I'm hoping कि मेरे को बहुत अच्छा खाना भी मिलेगा Christmas food का. So let's go and see. So before starting the video, like, share, please subscribe and follow us on Instagram @hungerplans. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. For breakfast, I'm going to make gingerbread cookies and eggnog. First, let's make the cookies, and these are the ingredients we will need. In a bowl, I have half cup of softened butter, half cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup jaggery powder, and mix it. Then add half teaspoon vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon of orange zest. Mix it. Now I'm going to sieve 1 cup of refined maida, 1 cup wheat flour, that is atta, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder, half teaspoon ginger powder, 1/4 teaspoon clove powder, and sieve it thoroughly. I'm sieving it so that there are no lumps. Now add 1/4 cup of warm milk, mix it. Then using your hands, knead it into a stiff dough. Let it rest in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. After removing from the refrigerator, knead it for a minute to soften. Now place the dough between 2 parchment papers. Using a rolling pin, roll it flat into 1/2 inch thickness. Now using any Christmas cookie cutter, I'm giving different shapes. You can give any shapes you like. Place it on a baking tray and bake it for 12 minutes at 120 degrees Celsius. It smells so good. Till then, let's make royal icing. In a bowl, sieve 3/4 cups of icing sugar, 1 tablespoon corn flour, mix, and add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Then add 1 tablespoon milk and mix it. You want a pouring consistency. This is exactly how you want the icing to be. Then transfer it into a piping bag. Now the cookies are also baked. Let's pipe royal icing over it. Actually, it is completely optional. You can have it as it is with eggnog or warm milk. It will taste amazing, but it looks more pretty and Christmassy when you decorate it. Also, you can be as creative as you want. It's a fun and peaceful process, so I highly recommend you all to try it. Let the icing dry for a minute or two, and now you can serve it. You can store it in any airtight container for up to 2 weeks. It looks very beautiful. Actually, while making cookies only, मुझे मेहंदी निकालनी पड़ी because the मेहंदी वाला भैया came very early. So Advait is going to take over and make the eggnog. It's his first time cooking, so ignore the mess he makes. Now these are the ingredients to make the eggnog, which is the most famous Christmas drink. In a bowl, add 3 egg yolks and half cup of caster sugar. Whisk it, then using a hand blender, whip till it's pale and fluffy. Now in the stock pot, add 1.5 cups of buffalo full fat milk. Let it boil. Then very carefully add 1 ladle of warm milk to the whipped yolk. Whisk it slowly. Similarly, add 2 to 3 ladles and whisk it. Now add this egg mixture into warm milk and cook it on very low temperature for 10 to 15 minutes and continuously keep stirring. We are doing this so that the egg doesn't cook. Okay, spoke too soon. Advait का first try था, so अंडे का भुर्जी बन चुका है. So he made it again and now it's silky smooth. You be careful. It's a bit tricky process, but just keep 2 things in mind. That is, cook the milk on low temperature and keep stirring continuously. 1 second भी नजर हटी तो definitely दुर्घटना घटेगी. After 12 minutes, add 3/4 cups of fresh milk. Mix it in. Then add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, half teaspoon cinnamon powder, half tablespoon ginger powder. Grate a pinch of nutmeg into it and mix it. Switch off the flame and let it cool down for a bit. Then transfer it into a glass bottle or any glass container. This will stay fresh in the refrigerator up to 2 to 3 months. Traditionally, alcohol is added, but we'll skip that. For serving, add ice cubes. Pour this thick eggnog into it. Place a cinnamon stick and grate fresh nutmeg over it and just enjoy. It is so creamy, perfectly thick and perfectly sweet. It's like a drinkable custard. It tastes very rich and fresh. You can have it warm as well in this chilly morning. Our gingerbread cookies turned out so good. They have a perfect snap. It's crispy from the outside and soft from the inside, exactly like a gingerbread would be. Again, perfectly sweet. I can taste the ginger, cinnamon and clove very prominently. It's so good. Loved my breakfast so much. This is one of the prettiest breakfast I ever had. Keeping in mind कि eggnog Advait ने बनाया, I'm definitely rating it a 10 on 10. For lunch, as I already mentioned कि मेहंदी वाला भैया आ गया था, so I couldn't shoot only क्योंकि हाथ में मेहंदी थी obviously. So अद्वैत ने मेरे को खिला दिया because I already ordered pork sorpatel, rice, bebinka and marzipan from Roderick's Kitchen. It is a specialized Goan cuisine kitchen. So I was really excited to shoot that, but unfortunately I couldn't. So I just have a bit of beauty shots of it and I'll explain the taste. The pork sorpatel, actually I had pork for the first time. I never tried it, but surprisingly it was really delicious. It literally melted in my mouth. It was that delicious. The sorpatel was not that spicy. It was like a mild spice, and I could taste the jaggery quite prominently and the tamarind as well, so enjoyed it with rice. I wanted to order the poi bread, but it was not available. Next I ordered bebinka, जो देख के ही इतना fresh लग रहा था. It was smelling so good. It actually takes a lot of time to make it because individual layers को bake करना पड़ता है. I think there were like 7 or 8 layers. Each layer was delicious and it is made up of egg yolks and I think coconut milk. So yes, that was a nice experience. The marzipan was exactly like peda. It was really good. It was soft and crumbly. The guava cheese was tasting like Kerala wala halwa. And the kalkal was exactly like shankalpai, the spiral thing, but more crispy. So I enjoyed the overall meal a lot and I would give our lunch 8 on 10. Hello Hungry Fam. So we were out searching for some Christmas food and we came across this lane. Sorry for the traffic ka awaaz. Thoda ignore karna wo. So this lane is really pretty. And these are my cousins. So aage let's see if I can find any food. Hopefully I can because I'm very hungry right now. And not only me but सब लोगों को बहुत भूख लग रही है. So let's go and see. On the same lane, I came across a snowman and a Santa Claus. So I'm going to show you that. And these are my crazy people. Apurva, Deep, Advait. That's my bhabhi. The next lane we went was super crowded, so I couldn't vlog only. But sadly, couldn't find any Christmas food there. My cousins were very hungry, so they had shawarma and momos from the places I mentioned in my favorite food video. Then we came across a beautiful crib which was jam-packed. You can clearly see the crowd, but the whole vibe was so much fun. There were so many lights. It was very mesmerizing. I had a great Christmas Eve experience. Enjoyed it a lot. Then nearby only me and Advait found a nice American restaurant where there was a Christmas menu. They had a cute Christmas tree corner and again a nice festive vibe. For traditional Christmas dinner, people have roast chicken. So I ordered roast chicken steak with Cajun sauce, herb rice, sorted veggies, and of course mashed potatoes. It was looking so vibrant and the smell was so good. I couldn't wait to dig into it. The chicken, wow, it was so juicy and perfectly roasted. There was a prominent flavor of pepper which I love, and with sauce it was just perfect. The rice was nice, very fluffy, very light and herby. Mashed potatoes were okay. They were not as creamy but they were good. Sorted veggies were nice and crunchy. Overall it was an amazing meal. Advait also enjoyed the steak a lot. I'm so happy finally after so much of search I could find a nice dinner. I know I already lost the challenge but had such a blast today, so we'll rate the dinner 8.5 on 10. We are back from the Christmas walk and there we came across this Chotu Sa shop jahan pe they were selling out Christmas dessert, and I got bebinka of course because I loved it so much, and plum cake तो जो मैंने बनाया था वो है. पूरा केक तो नहीं है, ओनली इतना छोटू सा पीस बच गया, बाकी सब ने खत्म कर दिया. So this is actually not a Christmas cake, it was a Christmas sweet bread. So let's taste this first. The taste was decent. It was more of like a coconut burfi rather than a coconut bread. It wasn't that sweet or didn't like it much, but theek thak tha. Now let's eat bebinka. I actually had bebinka lunch maybe, but I cannot have enough of bebinka in Christmas season. So let's see. Actually, you can see the difference clearly. Fresh bebinka and store-bought bebinka. Color से तो first of all you can understand, but the taste was also, that was very fresh. मतलब ऐसे bite लेके ही it was melting in your mouth. This is a bit chewy, which is not bad. It is nice. I can taste the jaggery more in this. It's way too sweet, but it's nice. And then let's have a plum cake. I actually tasted it pehle, but I'm tasting it again. The plum cake is heaven. It is so good, perfectly moist, perfectly sweet. The mixed fruits are so good. It's even tasting more delicious today, and enjoyed our dessert a lot. Not as much as lunch and dinner, but I'm going to rate the dessert, I guess 7 on 10. I know this video was all over the place, but मुझे waste नहीं करना था because the recipes were really good and I wanted to share them with you. So let me know your feedback, how you think about this video in the comment section below. Also, I'm planning to do a year-end update, like life update / Q&A video. So drop down any interesting questions you have for me. I would love to answer them. Today's shout out goes to Selja Tiwari, Avni Desai, and Yukti Navani. If you want a shout out, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram, and comment on this video telling me that you have. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.